Welcome to our detailed review of the 10Gsupxsel Cat6a Patch Cables 1 feet 24 pack. These cables are designed to provide high-performance 10G data transfer and reliable network connectivity using high-quality 28A 100% copper construction. They are perfectly in line with ANSI TAA 568 2.D standards, ensuring you're getting a cable that stands up to professional network requirements. One of the standout features of these patch cables is their ultra-slim design. At just 3.6 millimeters in diameter, they are 50% thinner than standard networking cables. This design makes them ideal for high-density environments such as data centers, telecommunications hubs, and server rooms. Whether you're connecting patch panels or making short cable runs, the slim size helps keep your network rack neat and organized, while promoting better airflow and heat dissipation among your equipment. The flexibility of the cable is another major advantage. Designed for use in tight spaces, these cables are more flexible than traditional Ethernet cables, allowing for easier management even in crowded network racks. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with cable runs as short as 0.5 feet, as the slim jacket ensures that installation remains hassle-free. Additionally, the snagless clear boot provides an extra layer of protection by safeguarding the RJ45 clips during installation. This feature reduces the risk of damage while pulling cables through narrow spaces, making them an excellent choice for Power over Ethernet (PoE) applications, including lighting installations where aesthetics matter. In terms of real-life performance, users have found these cables dependable for maintaining 10G data connections without signal degradation. Their pure copper construction also contributes to reduced resistance and better conductivity, providing an edge over cheaper copper-clad alternatives. Nevertheless, while these cables excel in performance and design, some users note that the premium build might come at a slightly higher price point compared to standard Ethernet cables. Compared to similar products, the 10Gsupxsel Cat6a cables offer a blend of quality materials, advanced features, and a space-saving design that many professionals will appreciate. If you're looking for a reliable and neat solution for your network setup, these cables are a strong contender. For the best experience, ensure your patch panels and network switches are compatible with Cat6a standards, and use proper cable management solutions to maximize the benefits of the ultra-slim design. In summary, the 10Gsupxsel Cat6a Patch Cables 1 feet 24 pack offer high-speed data transfer, flexibility, and a space-saving design that can transform a chaotic network rack into an organized, efficient system. They are particularly beneficial for professionals in data centers, telecom, and any high-density networking environments looking to get reliable, top-tier performance.